Dear all, in continuation with the video series of the power quality subject, welcome back you all to the introduction to the power quality topic. So, how will you introduce the power quality? The power quality is a combination of voltage profile, frequency profile, harmonic content, and reliability of the power supply, continuity of the power supply. The power quality is defined as the degree to which the power supply approaches the ideal case of stable, uninterrupted, zero distortion and disturbance free supply. This presentation represents on overviews of electrical power quality with special emphasis on power quality problem. Till time we have discussed, we have defined the power quality definition, causes of the power quality, the effects of the power quality. Let's elaborate this in the detail. The adverse impact on utility of customers and their mitigation techniques. This also deals with the serious power quality problems, voltage distortion due to the current harmonics, flicker, voltage sag, voltage surge, and many more. So power quality is related to the delivery of clean electrical power which is compiling with the industry standards. Okay. So what are the causes of the poor power quality? So what are the reasons basically? So the power quality gets distorted. That reasons are variation in voltage magnitude and the frequency, obviously. Variation in magnitude can be due to the sudden rise or fall of load, outages, repetitive varying loading pattern like in the rolling mill, power electronic converters, inverters, lightning, and etc. Variation in frequency can rise off due to the system dynamics or the harmonic injection. So these are the basic reasons or the causes for the poor power quality. Like in variation in the voltage magnitude and the frequency. This variation can be due to the sudden rise or the fall of the load, loading pattern, outages. And then variation in the frequency can be rise of the system dynamics or the harmonic injection. So basically what covers the power quality covers is, so these are the measures of reliability, that is continuous availability, interruption or breakdown or outage free electrical supply. So what are the parameters who governs the power quality? That is voltage, frequency, harmonic content, and transients. Like in case of the voltage, there is a flickering, voltage sag, swell, unbalance, frequency either drop or the rise, harmonic contents due to the penetration of the power electronic converters in the system, and the transients. What are the sources of the poor power quality? What are the sources? Till time we discuss the causes. Now what are the sources basically? The sources are non-linear loads, arcing loads, switching operation, reactive loads, atmospheric conditions, unstable loads, neighboring unbalanced system. So these are the certain sources of the poor power quality. So let us discuss the typical power quality problem, that is voltage sag. A reduction in RMS voltage or current at the power frequency. Basically either it may be a short duration or the long duration. So voltage sag is under voltage. So reduction in the RMS voltage or the current at a power frequency. That graph, that waveform indicates that there is a 50% decreased in the maximum value of the RMS voltage. The voltage sag. Voltage surge. The voltage variation can be positive, higher than the normal, or the negative, lower than the normal. In the both sides, that is the voltage surge as per the shown diagram. Let us see the transients. The transients, it manifests only as a short duration change in voltage due to switching on and off the load. A very short duration, like in the microsecond or the millisecond. Harmonics. It is an integer multiple of fundamental frequency in the sine wave of the power supply, or simply it's a distortion of the waveform. Fundamental frequency is 50 Hz. So second order, third order will create the 100 Hz frequency, 150 and so on. So distortion in the fundamental waveform is nothing but the harmonics. Lightning. It produces very high current. Let me repeat, it produces very high current for a short time interval, but enough to cause fires or to destroy micro circuit. There is a lightning, natural phenomenon. In the next lecture, we shall discuss about the impact of poor power quality. Thank you.